Good morning, class. I just want to give you guys a heads up as to some changes that I've made so that the class will move a little bit smoother or just be a little bit less cumbersome. So I'm going to go to STEM Physics here, and I'm in the Moodle mobile app, and it's still the same kind of stuff here. I'm just going to go down to level 3 unit circle. Some things that I want to show to you. So on the level 3 unit circle, you'll see that I can see everything here, okay? So I have quite a few resources in here. But what you'll see is this: unlock level 3 unit circle YouTube videos videos. This should be for online study. I'll change that. And unlock level 3 unit circle downloadables for offline study. And then we have unlock level 3 unit circle day term lectures, and this is streaming only. So you'll see that we have lecture part 1, lecture 1 part 2, lecture 1 part 3, lecture 2 part 1, lecture 2 part 2. Okay? And of course, we still have some of the same videos down here. We have our YouTube instructions. So of course, the lectures, they are our recordings for the class. So it's like the real lecture, all of the interaction and everything. The YouTube videos are without all of that interaction, as well as these downloadables, okay? So this is what I'm going to do, just so that you guys can see what I see. I could show you what you should see. I'm going to go to site home, and wait a minute, that's the wrong thing. Let me see, I should go to the website. That's what I want to go to. So I'm going to go to the website, and I want to show you guys what I see. So let me go ahead and go into physics here. Of course, STEM. You just log in. It's pretty easy if you have your autofill on here, and I would definitely suggest that you guys put your autofill on there. So once you have your password, you know what your password is going to be. And now I want to go down to level 3 unit circle, because that's what we were just looking at. And I'm going to select on that. And before I go any further, I want to switch my role to a student. In the app, I don't have these abilities, but on the web, in the web application, I have all kinds of abilities. So now you'll see this unlock level 3 unit circle YouTube videos for online study. Again, I need to correct the of to for, and we still have our selections that we can make. And now notice what happens. All of the videos, all of the video assets are gone away except the things that we need to complete the assignment. So this is the state that we'll be in when we're actually in class. Okay? If you're out of class or if you're on the web and you really can't access things, we have a few ways. So let's just go ahead and let's just say that we're in class and the internet is just horrible on my end, and the only thing that you can see is a bunch of glitchiness. So if you want to, you can actually look at the YouTube videos in line with going into class. You can actually complete the assignments that I'm going to cover in class with your YouTube videos. So I'm just going to select on that. And when I select on this, you'll see that the screen is actually refreshing. Well, Moodle Shell is actually refreshing. And notice what happens. So all of the YouTube videos are now available. All right. And they're in order. And I can always select on that again. And when I select on it again or deselect it, I'm actually going to get rid of those YouTube videos. So you have the power to control what's happening here. The same for the downloadables for offline study. I'm just going to select on that. And you'll notice that the downloadables only are there. Okay? Same stuff that we would be going over in class. I'm going to go ahead and select on this again. And the very last one is our Unlock Level 3 Unit Circle Day Term Lectures. I'll end up having a weekend term one as well, so it's going to be totally up to you guys. I'm going to give you guys a lot of liberty in what you select, all right? Notice I have lecture part 1, lecture 1 part 2, lecture 1 part 3, then lecture 2 part 1, and lecture 2 part 2. Some of the things that we'll do in class, especially in the first week, is we'll repeat a lot of things, okay? And so let's just go with that, and I am going to deselect this. And you can always go back to your home state. Now you can have them all open if you wanted to, but I just think that it can be, this should be a lot less cumbersome. That's it. That's the news for today. Have a great day.